Hi guys, Joanne here. We're just doing some sciatica pain relief exercise. So this will be able to give you a really quick remedy that you can apply if you have any pain shooting down, uncomfortable pain shooting down all the way down to your feet. So let's try to do, you need actually the foam roller. If you don't, you can totally use a tennis ball, but be very careful. So what we're going to do, let's try to use, we just did the right side, so let's do the left side. So let's put this on your butt, left side butt, okay? So I'll be able to actually go a little forward so my viewer can see. Okay, so let's try to sit on top of your foam roller, ladies. And we're gonna targeting onto the left side. So we're gonna bring your body to the center of your mat. And I'm actually going to lift just a little bit so that you guys can see. We're gonna come all the way down right above your pelvic bones, right up here. Try not to touch your butt down, okay? And you come down a little more farther. Okay, so it's right above. On the shoulder, okay though? Yeah, shoulder okay. Rosy eye okay? Yeah. Now I'm gonna go all the way, come up and right underneath of your butt, right up here. So using your body weight to press your hip bones all the way down. Once you do this, you'll be able to also find any sensitive spot, like trigger point. Do you have any like sensitive area? Yeah, I can see that. I just read your face. Yeah, if you have that little area like, oh my God, right here, stay right there. Stay right there. If you want to put a little more body weight, you're gonna put this leg right on top, right up here. Stay right there. Okay. Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Stay. And then now we're going to relieve all the way down right above and all the way down. So we're going to do this until you feel like, oh my God, this feels so good. Alright? So anybody who following this at home, if you have this foam roller and do this right underneath of your pelvis. We're gonna go right underneath of your butt where your hamstring also starts. We're gonna go right into the stretching. So we're gonna remove this foam roller. So we'll do the very simple pigeon pose. So since we did this left side, let's bring the left side leg forward, guys, and right side leg straight to the back like this. Let's try to stay here for just a little bit. We're gonna give you the time to get your piriformis also opened up. You're gonna feel like, oh my God, this feels so good. If you can, just stay right here. Hallelujah.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, you feel good, right? Yeah. And then, once you feel like you give a nice time to actually open this up, just like Kathy, and slowly just walking down to put more body weight on it to get this even more opened up. If you can't straight the other side leg, it's okay to bend your leg like this and come down. If you can actually stretch the other side leg straight to the back, you'll end up actually also opening up your hip flexors on the other side as well. Not only we're targeting onto the left side glute muscle, the very important piriformis, you're also opening up your hip flexors. Alright. Now we're gonna stay here about good amount of time, 10-20 seconds. Once you did really nice stretch, we're gonna move your body weight, ladies, over down towards your left side. Moving your body, your upper body on top of your inner thigh, and bring your right hands on top of your left hands, coming down. Stay right there, hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Now slowly come back. Now slowly walking up, and we're gonna really get that muscle stretch. 2, 3. How you guys feeling?
Great.
Yeah? Enjoy. Alright, now we'll do last one. Okay, so now we're gonna come back. Since we did the left side, we're gonna put the left side leg forward. Fold it up. Alright. Left side. I'm gonna slowly just come down. Walk, walk, walk. Walk all the way. Stay right there. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. And now slowly. Alright. Very good. So let's activate those muscles. So we did release, we stretch. Now we're going to activate your glute muscle. Okay? So let's lie down on your tummy. So we're going to targeting onto the left side. So let's try to put your forehead down on top of your hands. Left side, like ladies, just pick it up, straight your knee, like your knee, and coming up to the point where you feel like your glute muscles get activated. From here, we're gonna do a little pump, and pump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you feel that muscle actually a little burning, right? And relax. Yeah, we'll do one more time. Take a deep breath in, deep. Exhale, lift your leg right up here. Anybody who's watching this video, just do this. Even though you don't have any sciatica pain, this is really good because you guys sitting a long period of time all the time to work, and whenever you watch your iPhone or reading a book, you have to sit down, right? So not many people is standing and doing a lot of things. So do this. Okay, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more, and bring it down. Perfect. Okay, so bring your hands right underneath of your armpit. So now let's go into the last one, final stage. So this actually also really good for people who has a turtleneck, textbook neck, head really down forward. This will be able to opening up your scapular region, you're stretching your spine. We're also really stretching out your glute muscle, and it's really, really good. Coming all the way up to the cobra position, you guys can see, right? Come up to the tabletop position, and then slowly bring, okay, try not to moving your hands come close towards your body, just remain right there, and bring your forehead down. You don't have to, you don't necessarily to put your butt all the way down towards your heels, it's okay. Come back down to the tabletop, very good. One more time, and 2, 2, 3. When you do this, I really want you to, you guys can see my shoulder opening up, head down. Make sure that your wings even. Come back. Let's do 3 more. And also, if you have anybody who has a really limited shoulder range of motion, because you have a frozen shoulder, follow just like Kathy right here. You can bend your elbow like this. You can totally do that. Alright, and come back. And 2 more. Woo. Imagine that you're pressing your chest down, forehead down. And come back. And last one. And all the way. Perfect. And come back. Alright. Rosie, tell me, how's your low back pain? Did you sit later? Yeah?
Yeah. I think that's what I need.
Oh,
Just stretching.
Yeah. You feel better now? Honey, are you okay? You feel okay? Yeah. Alright, before I have to wrap up this video, just one more little single tip for you all. everyone, we're gonna sit down right here. Push your hands right straight to the back. Try to open your toes as much as possible. Flex your feet. You'll be able to feel your calf muscles also stretching, right? And point your toe. We're gonna work on the sole of this muscle right here. Flex your feet. 2, 3, 4, 5. Point your toe. Guys, just don't watch this. Try to follow with us. It's gonna actually make you feel much better. Coming up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Lubricate your ankles. It's very, very important. Your 2 feet actually holding on your body weight all the time, so you really have to take care of your feet, right? And coming up, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Make a big circle. Big circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get this muscle really, really strong. Flex your feet, trying to curl your toe. 1. Up. Curl your toe. I'll do this on the side way so you can see. 2. Open. Curl your toe. Really, really strong. And open. And one more time. 1. And open. Last one. Curl your toe. Strong. Open. Alright, and shake your leg. How you feeling? I feel good, yeah? But because we also actually work on this muscle too, so actually they're actually helping you to improve your blood circulation. Good job, guys. Fabulous. Wonderful. So I hope this video helps and anybody actually who following me. I have also Instagram page and YouTube, and YouTube is just starting. I'm just starting out. So if you want to follow some of the exercise that you want to do and you have no time to go to gym, just come to my page, join me. All right. So have a great day, guys.